it, baby.
Yes, sir.
Run that back, turbo.
Scoop me duck, got one of my rooms all flooded with gold. I done bought 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 carat in stones. Cash on the California cash, can't wait to go dress my home. Smash all you itty bitty rappers in a minute, I've been trying to prolong. On the way to reach my goals, lot of doors open and close. I've been spending millions on clothes, I've been making millions off clothes. Spend new money to the old, garbage stay bitches and old. Cut up my shirt full of hoes, don't wanna got a lot of. Shout out my cousin, my kin, my blood, my foe. Hold my 10, I plant the seed, give it water to grow. €500,000 in a third world country, I travel the coast. Always say that I want it, you want it, then done it, I do what they don't. Never try to stunt my growth, I instead to chase my goals. Wait, watching I'm grown, can't take my throne. Going through the motion, stay strong, you done been him all alone. Look at all this money we done grown, lot of different places I done flown. Kids, pull up on the kid, she left her kid at home. It's 10 p.m. and that 901 man, it's 4 in the morning. My bell Spain and the view is the same round the corner from Jordan. Speed in the coupe, Jeff Gordon, I got the foreign imported. Boy, we sold out the Barclays, now we gon' sell out the garden. Drop 'em up at the market, y'all gonna really a Martian. Excusing me through like I'm parting, and I'm protected by carbons. Never try to stunt my growth, I instead to chase my goals. Wait, watching I'm grown, can't take my throne. Going through the motion, stay strong, you done been him all alone. Look at all this money we done grown, lot of different places I done flown.
Yes, sir! Make them feel you tonight. Every time you get something wrong somebody me, you gotta do it. We're going to get this, ain't gonna be no close games.
Going through the motion, stay strong, you done been him all alone.
It's going down tonight, you know I got to go get fitted. Hit the mall to get it, then I stop to get my hair twisted up in ponytails and sell a bill. Back to the grain and let my peoples know, you know it's going down tonight, man, we living. I got the 411 on the bumping. We riding with them zip they funk and then we dumping. I'm slumping in the meantime, my speakers is jumping up out they box. I see these brides choosing, man, they sprung on my Shirley locks. Made the block and they was all up on my bumpers trying to pull me over. But now I get said nothing when I'm sober. Hit the gas and smoked it up, smashed off a mouth. Bent the corners laughing cause I left they car cloudy. Went to my partner house and they was posted splitting Vegas. $5 a game on Madden 95 on Sega. Tagging out the room, fools laying on the ground. They better have some get back cause tonight it's going down.
Gonna get crazy out here. What up, man? Y'all already know. We back in the Brook. Hey, you gotta come out with the dog, man.
Closed up shop on the Sega, now we slamming bones. Up in my hood, it's on. You can see me about your hunt. Head up, I sit some down fast for they stash. Yellow stand up when you pass. Turn over your bones and give me your cash. I hit the step. With the money I want to give me a photo. A-double-O on the scene, I'm an OG on the ink for shit. I get twisted up in knots, per straight slop. Prize readers on my son and haters want them out. Can't understand how deep I get when I spit this real on real to real. Straight up out the heels, doing a minute wheel, steel toe. Boot stomping, bobbing my head to the whop and get my knees dirty. when I'm stanging them on the dice for Thompson. Side betting Lil Joe in the duck, now watch me roll. I let him go and watch that double deuce lock up a show. I talk bad and clown, walking around and making my round, snatching my money up off the ground, cause tonight is going down. Dressed is finally nightfall. Jumped in my 7-4, smashing cause I'm tight, y'all. Check to see if this was on the passenger seat. I need some heat.
Gender. Break that thing up in my blender. Got a warrant, no surrender. Submachine with that extender. I came up on a pissy mattress. I got more money than all these rappers. Tried to hit me up in traffic, but I had to work my magic. I'm riding around with my lieutenant. I let it down and I spin it. Come and fill my business. Catching bodies in the trenches.
Looking turn up. School up. Trap house. Blanket.
People talk about all week. Oh, it's tough to beat a team twice. All that nonsense I had to hear. That's why I can't wait to get to this game. Show people. Look, man, I get on y'all. You coach y'all hard, fellas. For a reason, we be on y'all for the little things. Little things to get you beat, especially in the playoffs. Second round, on the road. They think they're gonna outsmart y'all. They think you're gonna beat themselves. But that's not gonna be the case, fellas. It's not. Not tonight. Not the rest of the year. Don't worry about nothing but football. Control what you control, fellas. And like I told y'all all week, it shouldn't even be close. And I meant that. I ain't talking about that coming out playing cool, worry about what people looking at you in the stands. I ain't talking about that. I'm talking about going to hit people all night. We gave them hope last time, fellas. Gave them hope. That was why I was most disappointed about that game. But I never knew we was going to lose that game. You guys are coaches. A lot of people want us to fail. I said it over and over to get y'all to get you hungry. Don't bother me. You ain't gonna have haters if you lose. Everybody want to be in your position, fellas. We earn everything we got. I want my feet kicked up at halftime. Everybody understand? Yes, sir. Everybody understand? Yes, sir. What's the word? Underheard. What's the word? Underheard. Let's go touch somebody. Let's go.
Yeah, right on flash up. Excellent. And bleed.
We got London on the track.
I need to just put a deuce in. Car cost 400,000. I put a roof in. My nigga pot cooking so good, he put his shoe in. Then it's a gangster party. Why the fuck is you in? Head bust a microwave shit, then taking 2 minutes. You know that there's some scraps in the club. They let my crew in. I might just do the Michael Vick man and cook your left hand. If you ain't talking about buying ground, then I'm a deaf man. I can make the boy do numbers, but they said, oh man. I told my chick to dye her hair red like Danny Rodman. If Gucci man got so much money, then why he robbing? We 30.
Down with the phone, it is hand.
Education report, booking these doors. I dropped off the porch and went north. Whipped you some dope for the north. Got it, shit. Why you so hard? Body. I got about 20 chickens in the diving, baby. Ride it, that was like it. Remix, no panic, she my secret. Got 100 bands on me, I'm cheesy. Did a sequel, look it out like a eagle. Again. And go out again, chasing that go out again. Let my little again. Hey, yo, bad play.
Hey, I just went by the watch with a whole lot of diamonds to shawty my time. Took a trip out to Cali to hang with the clips, make a play and get high off that Zaza. I say R.I.P. Kobe, a nigga so fly when I ball out, where I skydive. So much chicken on me, could've went by the Williams or Rudy's, a big Popeye. In a whole different bracket, this life is immaculate. If you hit me for bows, then you know that I'm taxing. Keep buying clothes, that shit still in the packages. If he say that he robbed me, he capping me. Really no niggas throw sevens like Kaepernick. You not blind and you see that we have it. Known in my city, so no, I'm not average. Came a long way from dope in the cabin. Know that I step in the game that I rep. Went to Solomon, iced out the 10 for 600 on all our net. Paid it full like Mitch. Really having it. Got out that stuff, started rapping, and 6 months later I'm rich. No, I'm a stepper, I step with some elegance. I didn't I'm with it, some fellas, and strapped with a post, so I hope that you hesitant. If they spin, make them wish that they never spin. Most of these just, they be telling it. Man, I'm finna take over, I'm stamping it. How you bang this shit they selling ain't ready. Left your dog in that rain and ain't help with it. How is you solid, you ain't never deal with it. You see me, I come different, I'm blessed with it. We ain't got the rollie, it go with my necklace. 30 for both, you could die if you mess with it. Can't do the show if it don't gotta check with it. Dean, Popo, I swear they irrelevant. Hating like I don't know, that's really jealous. Knowing they mad that they no longer next to me. Know that I still...
Do you still love me or not?
'97 outside. No AC. Look in your eyes. Safe to say hi. Found the love of my life, but she ain't love me back. That's why I've never loved again.
Do you love me? Do you love me now? Let me know, baby, cause I need your heart. Do you love me? Do you love me now? Let me know, baby, cause I need your heart.
Do you love me? Do you love me now? Let me know, baby, cause I need your heart. Do you love me? Do you love me now? Do you love me, baby?
Can you call it me? Like we still in love, do you love me now? Let me know, baby, cause I need your heart. Do you love me, do you love me now? Let me know, baby, cause I need your heart.
Do you love me, do you love me now? Let me know, baby, cause I need your heart. Do you love me, do you love me now? Do you love me, baby?
I'm out of this world, not your run of the millin'. My name is Furrow, I'm the owner of the building. I'm a stoner and I'm chillin' with these hippies like Jack. I pimps and I mags, rubber bands on the lack. Man, I've been in the back with the groupies and the stars. I've been out front with the thugs and the cars. I've been on the yard. I'm feeling myself. I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. She's in the building and she's feeling herself. She's looking bad, but I'm willing to help. Stop it, baby, you're killing yourself. Come on, I got your back. You can chill in my delt. I'm feeling myself.
Return out to the Mount Brook 37-yard line.
Discount, goodbye. I look like Mr. Frank for free. No dough, you can't fuck with me. Get the fuck out. You still in my delt? You're full of ish and I'm feeling myself. I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself. Man, I'm feeling myself. I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself. Man, I'm feeling myself. I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself. Man, I'm feeling myself. I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself. Yeah, I'm feeling myself. I'm a West Coast bad boy. I represent it. Dre, that's a bad
Hey, y'all getting closer. Give them everything they got. Let's keep it simple with them. Tell them to be smart penalties. That's the only time to get us now. They really calling a good game.
I'm feeling myself. I'm in the building and I'm feeling myself. Yeah, I'm feeling myself.
I mean this. This is our game. Oh man, we're doing good so far. We gotta hold it down right here. We gotta go up. We need to see some pancakes out there. I got you.
Heard of my opponent, bitch run through problems. Unstoppable, I jump over obstacles. Stop my grind, lifestyle, sunshine. So improbable, probable, mission impossible. I said 2 times, stop lying. Bush just selling, I am just not buying. Flow so nice, but the kids not kind. Sweat sicker than a new flu, the guy called swine. Standing on point like a unicorn, strapped with a uniform. Every day's a work day, but don't wear a uniform. Gucci man, a double done, cap it like a Capricorn. Trapping one going on the money, making my own joker. I be robbing, and the realer is the Batman's gone. Try not to my money up in rap, cause real like Pac-Man Jones. Thumbprint me, fingerprint me, but can we agree to disagree? I'm from Eastern on 6, where the boys don't bridge, but we don't bump the blueprint 3. Wanna boss me just like Max B, but you can't me like Rest B. Like Ali, I'ma float like a butterfly, sting like a bee, cause it's big Gucci, Gucci. Me, but God didn't fail me. I was tuning out, but it just email me. DA nail me, Brock Street jail me. Take it like a champ while the whole world mail me. Y'all don't like me, J outsells me. Nothing in the world Kanye could tell me. You could be anyone but Gucci. Jaw so hard I can hardly do. Cause the lesson that I heard recently that moves me. Bet if you had the chance to, you mute. Convicted felon, my left wrist yelling, my stash ego and my swelling crazy. So I need pose that really. My phone kept scary and my folks so eerie. So hard working that my folks feel weary. Fall in the club and I start cheering. So hear me, I know y'all hear me. I don't like lying too much, not really. High like Britney and stone like Jimmy. Got a second chance like Vic and Philly. This is slap music, this is trap music. New boys and Kelly, yeah, they got a jerk movement. Rich squad, we rock the block. Gucci man, I real 40 spots.
We ain't forget. Don't let that broke in, cause she too messy. Who the f them broke boys with? Get out my section. Get out my section. Just pull the muscle, got too much flexing. Caught them in traffic on the accident, we pressing. Got them. Smoking Zaza every second, I be stressing. If you ain't tryna beat them, won't you stretch them? Do that. They wipe this nose for that tissue, God bless them. Wipe it. I dropped the 4, I caught Chris Webber. Drink, take off. I know you wanna be me, but it's levels. I got the game tatted on me, that's forever. Gang. Wanna know my moves and all my spots, but I move clever. Move. Wanna know my stash, how much I got, but I ain't gon' tell them. Push it, running through it. Get that bag, come on. Go. Titanic yacht, big enough for all my to jump on. I know she came with you, but she looking for me to go home. Me. Roll it discontinued like the drink I used to sip on. And that's act, not walk. Not Quaggin', not Red. Don't let that broke in, cause she too messy. Who the f them broke boys with? Get out my section. Get out my section. Just pull the muscle, got too much flexing. Caught them in traffic on the accident, we pressing. Got them. Smoking Zaza every second, I be stressing. If you ain't tryna beat them, won't you stretch them? Do that. They wipe this nose for that tissue, God bless them. Wipe it. I dropped the 4, I caught Chris Webber. Drink.
Huncho. I'm the huncho. Them about my cheddar. Quaver. Look, keep going outside, look do better. She want me to hit it, put my blicky on the dresser. Glocky. Feeling brilliant, just like Elon, pop the Tesla. Pop it, go. You ain't got no motion, you can't stand up in my session. Get out. I said, Carisha, please, cause she too messy. Please. My dog behind my back, but I ain't stressing. Not at all. You wanted the game, you should've just said it, we would've blessed it. Should've just said it. got messy. Smoking exotic with an exotics. Geeking, I'm bringing all kind of narcotics with me. Got guns on the table, I'm like, who fight us here? Who? This got past security, I'm like, who let her
Don't
in?
let that broke in, cause she too messy. Who the them broke boys with? Get out my section. Just pull the muscle, God, too much flexing. Caught them in traffic on the accident, we pressing. Got them. Smoking Zaza every second, I be stressing. If you ain't tryna beat them, won't you stretch them? Do that. They wipe their nose for that tissue, God bless them. Wipe it. I dropped the 4, I caught Chris Webber. Drink.
Double A full.
Be heard.
Winning lottery numbers coming up.
I can't quit at all. I ain't hurt at all. On my soul, at all. Stay the same as my pain. Go ride around with my bros. Riding in the Maybach, let's go. 10 M's up, let's go. He'll dread, my bro leave him. And from that store, on 3 different tryna take away my pain, but it still gon' try my horse to put a smile on top my man, but he still can't cope on the highway. I do wanna do something, get in my way. Bum bum, something. Yeah, rude boy, trust not got a match on bum, but can't pay her nothing. Do a hit real sick, it be cold or something. I can't figure how she coming, I'ma give it to my mom. In a minute, I'ma cut her, knowing I'm the same. Everything go bad, you can trust him, still time him. Steady rapping, we be sign of the going when it hit. Sound of the real loud when it's lit. Still let it with the on the miss. Black card, come eat. Don't pick, you try one trick, right? But she say wrong. Young rich, he done took the wrong. Can't shake back, no. Hoping free, get the from the stove. White shirts, that's a whole lot of snow. Riding bumper Kurt with a young. She don't want me, it's vivid. But I don't need a hand while I'm running up business. Real disability is real business. Real spill dope in the trenches. Real slime, that was my partner for a minute. For my brother when I got up in it. Dodging in the car when I sent them in. All praise to Allah. One was less than 6. We gon' burn him, leave him, he missing. Ain't when you on my back. I'ma farm my engine, take lecture like while they cooking on watch. That protecting that bag. Through the house, the aroma and cover the clouds. Don't say that ain't it, but I still won't catch. I'ma flat out this to whoever come catch. Police running this, no one saying nothing back. And then I won't do better with my life, but take with my life. Couldn't let these with your life, send it to the most high. Don't know, got it took when he got it. Running out, tell me what you do about it. You don't know up or don't. Can't ride with the when you see the kid on side. But I started playing around with tension. Got focus, got another pack rolled up, he gon' smoke it. 10 grand, 20 grand, all night, let's go. Rap all day, so I can't quit at all. I ain't hurt at all. On my soul, at all. Stay the same as my pain. Ride around with my bros. Riding in the Maybach, let's go. 10 M's up, let's go. He'll dread, my bro leave him. And from that store, on 3 different tryna take away my pain, but it still gon' try my horse to put a smile on top my man, but he still can't cope.
Getting a flag on the pick, why? Why? Celebrating, we up 28, why? I told y'all they was gonna do it. Y'all gonna have to start listening. Love the energy, how we play, we up play the physical. But later on, every round it gets tougher and tougher. So we gotta be better and better, man. Sunday at 2, baby. I love y'all boys though. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
At all, I ain't hurt at all. On my soul, at all. Stay the same as my pain. Ride around with my bros. Riding in the Maybach, let's go. 10 M's up, let's go. He'll dread, my bro leave him. And from that store, on 3 different tryna take away my pain, but it still gon' try my horse to put a smile on top my man, but he still can't cope.
Saying big Phil. It be like that sometimes.
It hurt.
Bro, y'all know we do this already, man. Yo! Ooh, big Phil. Ooh! Hey, big Phil. Oh, God. Oh, man. Off the Magic school bus. Tell him go shoot some Legos. But, yeah, I got that. 8 kicks, man. Round 3, win 3. You know what I'm saying? It was expected anyway. This ain't even a surprise. Hey, see you next week, Phil.